ICC Champions Trophy 2025, match number 9, Pakistan versus Bangladesh, and match number 10, Australia versus Afghanistan. Match abandoned due to rain. Now match number 11, South Africa versus England. Match played at National Stadium, Karachi. England won the toss, elected to bat first. England 38.2 overs, 179 runs all out. England team best scorer Joe Root, 44 balls, 37 runs. Then South Africa team best bowling spell Keshav Maharaj, 10 overs, 1 maiden, 35 runs, 2 wickets taken. South Africa 29.1 overs, 181 runs, lost by 3 wickets. South Africa won by 7 wickets in this match. South Africa team best scorer Rassie van der Duzen, 87 balls, 72 runs, not out. Then England team best bowling figure Jofra Archer, 9 overs, no maiden, 55 runs, 2 wickets taken. Player of the match, Marco Jansen. Congratulations, South Africa cricket team.